My name is Aileen Alvarez. I am from Southern California, and I completed the Speech-Language Pathology program here. Oh, it was so exciting just to finally be done with everything and realizing that all my hard work kind of built up to this moment, and just finally being able to be done and graduated and now go off to the real world was just such a fun experience to just kind of look back on the whole past everything happening. I've always loved working with kids. I've always wanted to go into something working with kids, and I always wanted to give back in a way and be able to help as many people as I could. And I felt like this was a good way with still kind of having fun with it and learning from there, and giving back is really important for me. My experience with the program, it was so fun. I got to meet so many girls from all over the world, not the world, the country. It was just fun meeting all the professors. They gave so much, and I learned so much from them, and just having this whole experience was so fun. I loved it. I feel like this program helped me for success because they just gave me all the valuable tools to kind of apply into the real world. All the experiences that we had with the anatomy labs and all that, the hands-on, that was so helpful, and all the professors were just there to really be there for us and took the time to really get to know us and help us as much as they could. Definitely consider it. It was so fun. It was definitely scary, someone coming from California to move and not knowing anyone, but it was probably one of the best things that I could have done. It was so fun to just experience something new and to just enjoy every moment because it goes by so fast.